Okay, so here it is. This is the E-Juice recipe calculator. If you just go to Google, you'll find that. I actually had to find it again because this is a new computer. So here it is in the flesh. I remembered the title, typed it into Google, E-Juice recipe calculator again. Okay, so what we have here is you're going to give your nicotine base, okay, which you can get different bases, but I like it as strong as possible, that way it lasts longer. Okay, so my nicotine base is 100 milligrams, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there now just to get it out of the way. Okay, and then my target level is going to be 14 milligrams. Okay, you don't have to stay conventional. I can do this 1.5 milligrams if I wanted to. Okay, that's going to be the strength that it's going to come out to. Okay, the stronger it's going to be, the more of that nicotine you're going to use. But like I said, that nicotine will last forever. That nicotine is probably going to last me over a year. Okay, amount to create, I'm going to do 3 30 milliliter bottles, so 3 different ones. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to do 3 30 mils this time. Alright, water added. I'm not going to add any water. Flavor percentage is going to be 20. And I've got to finagle that number, and you'll see that whenever I do this. Oops. Sorry, I'm not seeing the viewfinder. But that's what I'm doing. Okay, nicotine base 100, target level 14 milligrams is what my juice is going to be, and I'm creating 30 milliliters, and the flavor percentage is going to be 20%. Alright, and so once you do that, I always just push enter just to be sure it registers, and then it tells you the recipe right there at the bottom. Okay, so G nicotine. Okay, so I'm putting 4.2 milliliters in per 30 ml bottle. My VG/PG is going to be 19.8. The only math that you really have to watch is right here. Okay, this is going to be how much nicotine you're putting in there. You don't want to put too much, you could hurt yourself. So that's the only thing right there. Just make sure that that one is proper. All the rest of this stuff you can just get a rough guess, okay, of what it is. So I might actually even split that in half and call it 50-50, even though 6 milliliters is straight PG down here. That would be your flavoring, like I was saying earlier. So I mean, once you get the hang of this, this is really, really simple. I mean, this just kind of lays it all out for you. Alright, so that is just a little bit more of this explained for you. This is a very, very helpful tool, a must-have. You don't want to get the nicotine strength wrong, okay? So that's what it is. Your input on the top and your recipe pops up at the bottom. Okay, so there you go. There's that. Going to come back at you here in a second, and I'm going to go ahead and mix up some stuff. Then I'm going to show you some of the flavorings, okay? And I'm just going to show you that while I'm mixing.